Good morning, explorers! We welcome you to our Portland, Oregon adventure.
If you're new to our channel, I'm Gerald.
I'm Rhea.
I'm Gian.
And we are the Wandering Explorers.
Hello, explorers! We're here at Portland, Oregon, and we are on our way to OMSI, or Oregon Museum of Science and Industry. It is located at 1945 Southeast Water Avenue, Portland, Oregon.
Good morning, explorer. We're here in OMSI, Oregon Museum and Museum of Science and Industry. Come and let's explore OMSI. Don't want that.
These two, one of these two? And then these are the planetarium shows, so choose one of each and let me know, and I'll schedule it.
Okay, which one do you want?
Gian, you want the dinosaur or the Pacific?
No, that's underwater.
I want the dinosaur.
So we ended up going to the Dinosaur of Antarctica show. It has already started, so we needed to hurry.
These burrowing adaptations may have protected them in Antarctica's dark, frigid winters, but also allowed them to survive low oxygen environments and extreme temperatures. During the early Triassic, this resource made up a huge proportion of land vertebrates on Earth. For a time, the 2-ton relative of both crocodiles and dinosaurs, with an oversized head and a bite that rivaled T-Rex.
Giant T-Rex.
However, in this river, Erythrosuchus is in for a surprise. Or egg thieves.
Looks like an bird. Oh no, we are done with the Dinosaur of Antarctica. Now we are heading to the science playground. The science playground are designed for families 6 years below, an enclosed area designed to keep children visible and secure while enjoying interactive scientific learning through play.
Yeah, shipwreck. You're only 7.5 pounds.
That's Mars pala.
Mm-hmm.
This is Earth. This is Venus. This is Mars.
Then
This is the
the
moon.
moon, yeah.
You're only what?
This is
They're
Mercury.
only
6, 7, 8,
7.5
9.
pounds.
That's the moon.
Is it pounds?
0.
Yeah, it's on pounds.
Moon is 0.
No,
There's no gravity.
there's no gravity in the moon.
Horizon. So you can see the sky appears to rise in the east, set in the west as the Earth goes through its daily motion. But none of these stars ever set below the horizon, or at least they won't during our lifetimes. So these are called circumpolar stars and any sort of deep space object, even the planets. So the first thing we're going to do is turn this dome around. Just pretend we're all turning
Spinning.
We're going to be looking for the North Star. That's going to be, and we're looking towards the north. So once you find the Big Dipper, you can use these two stars right here, part of the dipper in the bowl, and draw an imaginary straight line until you reach this first bright star, right over here. It's about 2 full hand lengths away.
On a run from my given disaster, speed away from the holy mind.
Maybe you can hear it right here. Hello!
OMSI, or the Oregon Museum of Science and Industry, is a science and technology museum in Portland, Oregon. It contains 3 auditoriums, a planetarium, an exhibition hall, with a variety of hands-on permanent exhibit focused on technology and natural sciences, and industry founded in 1944.
Keep on driving till it bends, still it feels like I pretend. Keep on driving and driving along the road to never end. Lost my head over my back between the jars and bottle jack. Just me and all the red lights.
This is the turbine hall, where a large retired steam turbine is located. It also features exhibits about engineering, physics, science, space, and travel.
In the heat from a hot California, I forgot how you look like in red.
Okay, the challenge is that one. Arrange it so it goes up on this side. Right. Really work.
Oh wow, just making them look like a pussy.
Mommy doing a puzzle.
This is easy.
Oh,
Like this, yeah.
very good.
And a square.
That's good. Yeah.
It's nice.
Ah, there you are.
Square.
Look at the square. Good job, mommy. Yeah.
Just lingers, lingers.
Morning Explorer, we're still in Portland right now. It's our day 2. We're visiting OMSI, the Oregon Museum of Science and Industry. Do you see there? Explain to Daddy. What is it? Oh, where are you?
We're at OMSI Museum.
OMSI Museum in Portland, Oregon. Yeah, this Willamette River here in Portland, Oregon. We're by OMSI This is their featured submarine, and the museum. Museum is on this side. Portland is known for their bridges. You can see.
OMSI also exhibits the USS Blueback submarine at rest at the Willamette River, where Marquam and Hawthorne bridges are in the background. It was purchased by OMSI in February of 1994. You need to buy separate ticket to enter the submarine.
Let's go check out the Da Vinci Civic.
Unfortunately, there's no videos allowed inside the exhibit hall. Earth and Science Hall is located on the second floor, which features geology-oriented exhibits with two specialized laboratories, the Watershed Laboratory and the Paleontology Laboratory, where you can watch staff members and volunteers excavate fossils such as dinosaur bones.
We are done exploring OMSI. Now we are off to the Portland Rose Test Garden.
Explorer, we continue our Portland Escapade, or International Rose Test Garden here in Portland, Oregon. Yeah, last time we went here, there were no flowers left.
The garden's primary purpose is to serve as testing ground for new rose varieties. Hybridists sent roses from around the world to the garden for testing. The rose garden is free to enter, but you have to pay for parking.
Yellow, a lot of yellow rose.
The garden is located 2 miles west of downtown Portland, Oregon. Take exit number 2 from Highway 26 at the Washington Park, where you can also visit Oregon Zoo, Japanese Garden, Portland Children's Museum, and the World Forestry Center.
The roses fully bloom from late May through October.
So wrap your arms around me like a borderline. Our fortress in the jungle, baby, we're alright. We don't care much for people like them. We don't care much for people like them. But darling, on my mind, I'm feeling so fly up in the zone now. I'm like a golden crown, whirling high up in the sky. Oh, it's the way you make me feel so good, feel so good.
Ooh, it smells good. This one is dark red. Beautiful.
No. Fine. Stop. This does not count.
Wow, smells good. Peach roses right here on this side. Pink roses.
I was worried you broke my reputation, but I figured it's not on me. Yeah. The way you're making me shiver, your hands on myself, I keep pulling the trigger. Right.
Shakespeare Garden.
Well, darling, on my mind, I'm feeling so fly up in the zone now. I'm like a golden crown, whirling high up in the sky. Oh, it's the way you make me feel so good right now. It's the way you make me feel so good.
So it is a 4.5 acre garden. They have 650 varieties. 650 varieties and 10,000 plus plants.
I was worried you broke my reputation, but I figured it's not on me. Yeah. The way you're making me shiver, your hands on myself, I keep pulling the trigger. Right. This very finger for people like them. Oh no. Well, darling, on my mind, I'm feeling so fly up in the zone now. I'm like a golden crown, whirling high up in the sky. Oh, it's the way you make me feel so good right now. It's the way you make me feel so good.
That's it for today, guys. Thank you for exploring with us on our Portland, Oregon adventure. Please don't forget to like, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel, The Wandering Explorers, and hit the notification bell, and see you on our next adventure. Bye! Please like, comment, and subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell. Thank you!
I've been losing sleep, what to do? Could somebody come and take me away?